Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to shoot long exposure light trails at night on your Xiaomi 17 Ultra. So first, we unlocked our phone. Now what we're gonna do here is we're gonna enter the camera mode and we're gonna select the Pro one. Now what we're gonna do is select our shutter speed first. So this is this option right here. Here we can, as you guys can see, change it. And the best setting right here is around, if we want to make the light trails, we want to either max it out to 30 or we want to keep it a bit lower and change it to the 4. Now, after changing it, we can also change the ISO, and here what we're going to do with the ISO, we're going to set it, let me show you, we're going to set it at 50. And now, what we're going to do next, of course, we can also use the white balance. You guys can either max it out or just try and find a setting that matches the place that you're trying to shoot from. And the last resort here is to use the tripod. It's very important because on the tripod you will just go for it and everything will look better than while you're holding it. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.